Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. No, I still can't hear you.
Hello,
Yeah, now it's better. Okay, can I know your name, please?
my name is Jayashree Deshmukh.
Jayshree Deshmukh. Okay. So, Jayshree, can you tell me a little bit about yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jayashree Deshmukh. I am currently doing digital marketing and web developer internship at PSK Technology Private Limited, in India, which I learn about web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Uh, my hobbies are reading novels, are on the Wattpad, or I have some books that given by my teacher that I read daily, and my hobbies my hobbies also dancing. I like to dance, and I have a dream that to complete that I want to become a full stack developer is my short term goal,
You like
and
to?
next and my long term goal is to to become a businesswoman where I can explore my knowledge and other skills.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
that's good. That's good. I like that attitude actually. So, Jayshree, when you talk about you want to be a businesswoman, okay. So, what do you consider into it? I mean, as a businesswoman, what kind of field you need to go ahead with?
That's why I firstly, ma'am, I will doing do a job where I explore how can a boss treat their employees and how they work together. That's why I want to work. I want to first work at the company, and then from that knowledge that I get from professionals or others, then I can explore
Okay.
that knowledge.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So, can you explain me what is web design and web development work? I mean, what is the definition we can give for web designing? What you do exactly? Do you use any code or you are just an
Yes, ma'am.
interface person?
I'm just working on the e-commerce project in which I learn last from the 3 months I learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In HTML, I use only documentation file where use only localhost that our own PC. Where in documentation file I use different tags, HTML tags. In CSS, I give that design in that project. And next JavaScript, I use prompt message and message function.
Okay. Got it. Fine. So this is you can consider it as a basic development you have started yet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fair enough. So, what kind of a job you're looking for, Jayashree? If I ask you that, being your capability into this, what kind of a job you think that you will get?
I I'm try to get as a web developer, as a full stack developer, where and as a just stage, I am just a fresher.
Mm-hmm.
I know about only HTML, CSS, only front end part. I don't know about any. I only have theory knowledge of backend, but I want to learn both things as a full stack developer.
Okay. Okay. So, what is your strengths, Jayashree? If I ask you,
I am an extrovert person and self motivated. I am punctual. That is my strength, ma'am.
okay, what do you mean by an extrovert person?
Extrovert person is full of confidence and who lives life happily and who in over time who can bring others people with she or he can talk to with other persons or they can share their problems or they can help others.
Okay. All right. So if I ask you to describe Jayashree in one word, what would be that word?
Jayashree is a victory. It's a success key, that victory.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
And Jayashree means victory. It is success story. Hello.
Success story. Wonderful. Yeah, I can hear you now. The success story, that's what you said. So Jayashree, when we go in an environment, more into a corporate environment, there is a different, prospect for a fresher when comes in. Okay, so initially you might feel that, I'll get this kind of a job or environment. But then there are 10 more people who are working on the same background. So how do you think you're able to fit in their environment?
As a fresher, I understand that you asked me, ma'am. But I just as a person, I know my person that I can, if I work as a reputed company for company, if they give me any task that I complete on a time, I have that rules that I know I have discipline. That if someone gives me a time on that, yeah, you have to complete in that project on that time, and I will definitely that I have to do anything, but I will complete that project or something on their respective time.
Okay. So what are your interests rather than development? I mean, web development is one of your interests. Apart from that, what interests you possess?
I have as a digital marketing, where I just start as a digital marketing, and we are working on the offline SEO, where we use a link
Okay,
building
I'll
process.
repeat
And
my question again. Okay, I'll repeat my question again. There are two things. One is your passion, one is your work. So when I talk about digital marketing or web development, this comes into your more professional habits. So when I talk about your passion, what do you consider as your passion? I mean, this is what I love to do.
I love to do reading, and I know about yoga practice and meditation. I daily do that.
Okay. So what kind of books do you read?
Ma'am, I just started one book that given by my teacher is You Can Win by Shiv Khera.
Okay. So can you tell me what is the chapter 3 of this book?
Chapter 3. Ma'am, I don't know about the chapter 3, but I know that about what is story and what they want to share that knowledge about. I can
Have you read
explain
the
that.
entire book or you have just started it?
I just started, ma'am.
Okay. How many pages have you read?
Ma'am, I read about when I become a big boy. That book.
Okay. Can you explain me?
Yes, ma'am. When there is a story as a boy that said that when I become a big boy, I will go to college and do this and this, and I will be happy. Then after the college, I will get a job. Then I will do this and I will be happy. Then after college, I will get married, and then I will do this and this, I will be happy. And then after marriage, I will do this and this happy. He or she, they can there are a story that optimist and pessimist by David, that in which he share about paralysis of analysis and excuses. This means that you are always excuse that I will do this and that given time, or I'm getting late, or I am doing that and that. We are that we are exclude that thing that I will do later and later. We are taking long time to complete that project or that we have under working on. And they also said that make a habit that doing it now. And I'm also motivational. I'm self motivated. I also heard about thoughts when if you want something that you never had, then you have to do something that you never did.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Fine. So I think you have recently read it, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll recommend you this book, and I think you should read it entire book. It's very good,
Yes, ma'am.
and it gives a very good insight actually of
That's
yourself.
that's not.
So
It's a
definitely I recommend this.
positive attitude towards anything.
one more point I need to add. If you're giving an interview and you're been telling me that you read this book, so I consider it that you have read it all, not few pages.
Yes, ma'am.
So if
Yes,
you're
ma'am. I will
mentioning
look
this
onto
in the
it.
interview, then definitely you should read the entire book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's put it together like this. You said that you want to be an entrepreneur. So what qualities do you think is required to be an entrepreneur?
As an entrepreneur, you need to be a well planned that what idea you have. You that on the what ideas you get, then you have to well plan about it. That how you can execute that plan, and how about the cost, how
Okay.
cost and effective, and what are the consequences of that ideas, and how you handle people under you. All the things, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me one example to explain this theory?
If I want to do X business of soft in as a if I open the software company, then I have to do what currently awareness about the product that I want to open that business. We have to be how we manage that cost, and how what will the pros and cons that business. If you want to the get a targeted audience, or that our product to reach people, then we have to do the work on that. How we can aware our product, that how our product is better than others, that how to, all planning that I also learn, ma'am, how we competitive analysis, that we have to work on the our opposite company or any that there are many companies, software company, then what difference that makes you that I want to purchase your product, not theirs. You have
Okay.
to go.
Okay. I'll consider that. So if I ask you, mm, let's say that what is your role model? Who is your role model
My
and
role
why?
model is my mother,
Okay. And why?
because I have my mother and my father is a passed away on 2006. That time my mother also difficulties, some face some difficulties and problem, and belong to village. In village, many people talk about others, and they criticize others that they yes, and she
Okay.
overcome that difficulties. And I have three sisters. She uh, she gives a education that you can do in her, and she never try to ignore our passion, or she said that what you want to do it, because
Hmm.
she is not educated, she is only at the she eighth, but she knows the importance of education.
Okay. Okay. So you take from her, that's her spirit of living, how she overcomes differences and she
Yes,
overcome
ma'am.
her hurdles and come up as a strong
Yes,
person.
ma'am.
So
And
you
she
want
also
to be
want
like
to
her.
be don't become like me, better than like me.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. All right. Fine, Jayashree. I'm done with my interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Ma'am, I heard from sir that you had a professional role.